Hello and welcome back. So it's stock lock day. Of course I got Lockwoods in, so I have to start on the Lockwoods, and this unusual looking Lockwood just absolutely caught my eye. This is a sliding door lock, and it just absolutely, I think it's awesome. Noctis had said that he found it on the side of the road. So one man's junk is another man's treasure, and believe me, I will be treasuring this. So Noctis, thank you so much for the locks, especially. This is totally awesome. But it had a key attached to the top with a little tie. But I took the key off because I wanted to see how it worked, because I'm not familiar with how this works. So I put the key in, you turn it, and of course, once it's upside down, it doesn't unlock. But you keep turning it, and it unlocks and lifts up to there. So I'm assuming that's the unlock position. That's the lock position. As you can see, when you're turning the key, that cam has to turn all the way around, back around before it unlocks. So you can actually turn it all the way to the unlock position and pull the key, and then it's unlocked, or all the way locked, pull the key out. So it is locked up. Thought I'd put it in the vise and see if I can get into it, though. Pretty awesome lock here for me. I know people are probably thinking, oh, really, a sliding glass door lock? That's probably, or a sliding door lock. That's not that exciting. That's exciting to me. So I'm weird like that. I like unusual things, and this is kind of unusual. So 50 thousandths fits in there. All right. And let's see, my gem. Should be all right. Work off this ledge right here. I'll zoom in for you guys. Any kind of movement. I would not imagine to find any security pins in a sliding door, but lock. But you never know. Okay, I got a small click out of 3, 2. I think I just overset 4, maybe. Okay, got a small click off of 2. I don't feel like anything is set yet. Oh, there we go. I guess I did have some things set. All right, so that's unlocked. Well, that's halfway. Oh, I guess that did unlock it all the way. Wow. All right. Let's see here. I'm going to lock it back up. Yep, that's locked. Okay, so yeah, halfway does unlock it. I didn't think it did, but I guess it does. That's interesting. All right, I'm going to do that again because I'm curious. That's locked up. Let me see something here. Has me curious. So I can get it into it again. Not so easy the second time. I think I overset something. I just overset 3. I felt it. There we go. Okay. So, yeah, halfway doesn't unlock it. I didn't think it did. That was weird. I wonder if the pins are a bit sticky. So what I should have to do, because the pins should be up top there, I should be able to slide this in and push those pins up, and then be able to push this all the way around. I'm guessing this is kind of sticky. Okay, now it should be in the unlock position, and it is. All right, very cool. Very, very cool. let's see if I can gut this. I guess let's zoom out for you guys. See if I can gut this. He had said in the comment, whenever I got it, that, yeah, there's a screw there for it. I should be able to take this off. And let's get my pinning tray out. Yep, the cam comes out, so that's awesome. And it's just a little kick cylinder, so that's awesome. But it has a cam on the back. Get my pinning tray out. Hold that. That is too cool. All right. Oh, yeah. I may not be gutting this right now. See if I have a smaller screwdriver sitting here somewhere. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to spray this with a little bit of lube. And hopefully loosen those up just a little bit. Alright, let's see if I can find my small screwdriver. I wonder if this one will work in that. Yeah, that one won't. My other small one. Alright, sorry guys, long video, but let's see if I can get this. Should have been a little bit more prepared for this, but here we go. To break? No. Come on. Wow. Those screws are sticky. They do not want to come out. Another trick here. If I can't get it with this screwdriver. Yeah. Okay. We may not be gutting this, but I can tell you that it had all standard pins in it. So maybe I'll stop the video and come back with it with those screws off. All right, guys. With a little bit of work, I got those screws loosened up, and we are going to be able to gut this now. So pretty interesting stuff here. That cam is on the back, but I want to get these screws out. I got them loose. I hadn't taken them off yet. I try to do my exploring with you guys. How about that? Okay. There we go. Little faceplate off the back there. And that awesome little cam there. And it looks like just a regular Lockwood kick. So that's cool. I did have a key for this, which should be good. Key in there. Sideways. Get a follower through this. Pins are towards me. And there we go. It's a little 5-pinner. So that's pretty cool. All the key pins are in and working. You can see that. And let's see what we got here. 1 should be a standard, and it is. 2 is a standard, and it is. 3 standard. 4 standard, and 5 standard. Nothing done to the plug. All smooth in there. There we go. Yep, all smooth in there. No nothing. But like I said, you nifty little 5-pinner Lockwood. Their tight tolerances make it hard no matter what. Let's see here. All right, we got a tapered pin up top, small taper, and a steel spring. I have a rusted steel spring, but a steel spring. Another tapered driver with a steel rusted spring. Another tapered driver with a rusted steel spring. And these springs, I think, were like this because the top of that's pretty rusted up. So I think that's what it is. Same on same on 4. And 5 should be the same as well. Ooh, except for his spring's a lot stronger. And he actually doesn't look as tapered. He kind of looks more standard and tapered. And that spring is not as rusted on top. That's why. Okay. Nothing done in the Bible. Everything looks nice and smooth. Just grimy, dirty. But let's give you guys a close-up of these, and you can see those tapers, especially on pin 3. Yeah, pin 4 doesn't, or pin 5 does not have a taper on it, so you'll be able to see the difference between the tapered pins and the non-tapered. Actually, yeah, one did. Has a slight taper to it. Okay. Let's zoom in for you guys here. This is what makes Lockwood so hard to pick. So it's tapered drivers, because you can overset them. Tapered key pins as well. But as you can see, in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we had all standard pins as drivers. I mean, as key pins. But then up top, you can see that taper on 1, 2, 3 has a really good taper on it. Come on, focus. There we go. Hopefully you guys are seeing that taper. 4 has another really good taper on it, and 5 doesn't have a taper on it. It's a standard pen. So that was what was inside of this Lockwood sliding door lock. Totally cool. Thank you, Noctis Motus, for this awesome lock. And if you haven't checked out his channel, go check him out. He's really a good picker. He tries to, say that he's not, but I'll tell you what, if he can pick Lockwoods with any kind of, regularity, he's definitely a good picker, because it takes a lot of feel and a lot of effort to pick Lockwoods. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your watching, and don't break the law.